COVID-19 has significantly affected how customers shop. So for example, we see a significant growth in digital channels. Also in our global automotive and mobility survey, we see that more than 50% of customers would purchase their next car using other than in-person channels. At the same time, COVID-19 led also to a drop in demand and is creating significant cost pressure, leaving no room for any inefficiencies. So both trends, the tailwind on the one hand side and the cost pressure on the other hand side, result in a game changer moment to disrupt the go-to-market model. Thus, the go-to-market model in the next normal will be three things: omnichannel, more data-driven, and more automated.
Thousands of customers across different regions ask them, how do you want to buy a car? We gave them different options. We said, should it be like Amazon? Should it be like Cartier? Should it be like Apple? And the simple answer is, there is no model that fits to our customers. What the customer wants is a car purchasing process that is personalized and fun. A big cost driver in the current distribution setup are actually the number of cars that you have in a dealership. Yeah? What will be the future is that you will only have very few cars. I still think there will be a few, but then through virtual reality, you can modify them, you can experience them in different things. And if you say, I want to see it in red, virtual reality will transform this car into another color or into other features.
What we've seen is this explosion of data that companies have available to them. It's gone from gigabytes to terabytes to petabytes of information. And companies have really embraced this as one of their core strategic assets. It's no longer a byproduct of the work, but it's a strategic differentiator. On the same hand, companies have in the past struggled to unlock the value from the data that they have. That's something that is changing. There's been a quantum leap in some of the tools that are available to unlock the value of data and democratize that data. And that's creating a unique opportunity to have widespread data-driven decision making.
Automation and at-scale digitized sales operations are playing a critical role, both in back-end operations as well as customer-facing settings. Our research, for example, shows that over 55% of car buyers would like to digitally sign and pay their contract online, and that self-service across B2B transactions is up twice this year. Thus, automation is not primarily an efficiency tool, but if properly deployed, enables a fast, seamless, and profitable customer experience that can become a true competitive advantage.
We have seen three dimensions: omni, data, and automation that significantly change today's go-to-market approach. So excelling in those is a real game changer and can set you apart from competition. But with COVID-19 as a true inflection point, it's really time to act now.